Good morning, mathematicians. It's Mr. Ag here, and for math today, we're going to do a little bit more review for the mid-module assessment we're going to take at the beginning of next week. So that would be just kind of like a little test to show what you know about the first 10 lessons that we've done, and it's nothing to stress out about. I know that we've had some technology issues, and I've had some technology issues as well. So, like for example, yesterday I know that I saved the lesson one exit ticket as lesson one, but lesson five showed up, and I tried it again this morning, and lesson six exit ticket was showing up as lesson five as well. But I think I got it all fixed up. And so what you're going to do today for math is going to be to work your way through these exit tickets. So in class, when we're live, I'll go through a few examples, and we will do exit ticket one together. So you don't need to do exit ticket one. I have replaced exit ticket, the one that came up as exit ticket five, I replaced it with the actual exit ticket one, but we're going to do that one together. What you're going to do is go into the assignments for math, and you'll see right here you've got Friday test review, okay? So I'm not trying to overburden you, but each one of these exit tickets has either one or two items on it, and sometimes the two items might have like an A and a B or an ABC. So yeah, I'm not expecting every student to get all the way through it. I am expecting you to try your best. It's really um, two two focuses here. We've got practicing the math that we've already studied, so we're reviewing it, and also practicing using CAMI and turning in assignments with CAMI because the mid-module assessment will be on CAMI. You do not have that in your workbook, so it is very, very important that you familiarize yourself with the tools of CAMI and be able to express yourself appropriately in answering questions on CAMI. So here we've got um, lesson. You may have turned in some of these yesterday, and if you've already turned it in, good for you. You're ahead of the game a little bit. If you weren't able to get some of these turned in, then we'll try to work out the kinks in our live session. But when you open up the assignments in CAMI, I'm going to start on lesson 6 here. You got to make sure you open up the assignment with CAMI, and yours might not come up like this right away. I was working one-to-one with a couple of students yesterday, and I noticed that when they opened theirs up, they didn't have a blue bar up here. They had a gray bar instead. That means that their CAMI isn't all the way loaded up onto their computer. And so, yeah, when you open it up, if it gives you a prompt to sign in, click the prompt that says use my Google credentials. So you got to click the Google button, and everything that it prompts you, you have to say allow. It's ALLOW, and that will allow your computer to access all of the features of CAMI. So if that's the problem that you're having, then hopefully you can work that out on your own. If you can't work it out on your own, you have to reach out to me in the Schoology features that you have. You've got a little mail feature here. You can send me mail directly and say, Mr. Agee, I am not getting CAMI fully and I need your help. And we'll set up a time that we can get it on your computer so that you can be practicing as much as you need to practice. So the bottom line is you're going to work your way through the exit tickets on the Friday test review. In our live session, it's going to be kind of like a help session. I'm going to first demonstrate with the exit one or lesson one exit ticket, and then you're going to have some work time, and I'm going to watch your assignments come in as you do them. If you happen to finish all 10 of these, so it's kind of a tall order. I'm not expecting everyone to get finished. If you get finished, you will go into Dreambox. Okay, so you'll go into Clever, you will click on the Dreambox app here, and I just wanted to remind you that everybody has new assignments. So I went over this yesterday. Your assignments, you'll look for this blue calendar here. You'll know that those are your assignments. Yesterday, Everybody started with this new assignment at 0 lessons and 0 time spent. So I can see right here who was able to get in and who wasn't able to get in. And some people were just on it for a very long time yesterday, which is fantastic. And if you weren't able to get on, that's okay. But know that you do have new assignments on Dreambox. And here's the cool thing. The assignments on Dreambox are assigned to support you in this work, okay? So you do those review assignments in Dreambox, and it's aligned to the work that you're doing in our Eureka Math modules. So I hope you understand what you're supposed to do. Don't stress out about it. It's if you're having problems, reach out to me, please, and I can help you with these problems. Um, the last thing we want during these coronavirus times is for families to be stressed and overburdened. And if it's causing you too much trouble, just take a breather, relax, take a break. It's okay. We had to do that in our family yesterday with one of my two kids who was getting overly frustrated and just had to say, you got to put it down for a little bit. You got to put it down. You got to rest your mind, relax, because nobody can learn in an environment where your mind is overly stressed out. So let's just do our best to relax, work together, be good communicators, and we can do this. Good luck, and I will see you in our live session.